In order to quickly add an image to my canvas, we'll start by going to the magic box. When you open the magic box, again you have the option of using the Home menu or the All Features menu. The image search shows a background with a magnifying glass on top. Go ahead and type in your topic. The search results will provide you images that are labeled for reuse. To add the image to your canvas, you can simply double tap on the image or touch and hold and drag it to the canvas where you would like it.
Our ViewSonic certified trainers are excited to work with you. If you'd like to have someone on site or virtually guide you through a hands-on learning, please reach out to pdteamus@viewsonic.com.